Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming service availability and selecting a plan that fits usage. Pick 50, 100, or 300 Mbps depending on household needs. Once chosen, order the ISP-approved modem or gateway, or confirm a compatible third-party modem. This avoids handshake problems. Make sure you have Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cables and account login info ready. Next, schedule technician visit if required, or plan a self-install kit pickup. This gets you into the physical setup immediately and avoids delays. You place the modem near the incoming line to reduce cable runs and latency, and avoid enclosed spaces that trap heat. After connecting the modem to power and the wall, wait for the sync indicators to stabilize. This confirms carrier link. Then connect your router with Ethernet and power it up. Once online, log into the router GUI to name the network, set a strong Wi-Fi password, choose WPA2 or WPA3 security, and change the admin password for safety. You now verify performance by running speed tests on wired and wireless clients to confirm you meet the plan baseline. Write down peak and average numbers. If Wi-Fi is weak, move the router, adjust channel selection, enable Co-S to prioritize video or gaming, and update firmware. These changes often improve stability. Once done, secure backup settings and test multiple devices. If problems persist, reboot gear, replace suspect cables, try a factory reset, and call the ISP for line diagnostics if the modem won't sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.